Want to hang curtains but don't have a rod, or just don't want to drill holes in your walls? Good news! You don't need fancy hardware or professional help. In this video, we're revealing 5 smart and creative ways to hang curtains without a rod, all budget-friendly, renter-safe, and super easy to try at home. Curtains can completely transform a space, adding warmth, privacy, and style. But what if you don't want to deal with rods, screws, or drilling? Whether you live in a rental or just love easy DIY fixes, these alternative curtain hanging ideas will help you achieve a beautiful, polished look, no tools required. Let's jump right in. 1. Use command hooks. One of the simplest and most popular methods, command hooks. These adhesive hooks can hold lightweight to medium-weight curtains easily. Just measure the width of your window, stick a hook on each side, and loop your curtain rings or tabs directly onto them. They're strong, damage-free, and perfect for renters who want a clean, modern look without drilling holes. 2. Tension rods for inside mounting. If you prefer something that looks more traditional, tension rods are your best friend. These extendable rods fit snugly between window frames using internal spring tension. They're great for sheer curtains, light fabrics, or small spaces like bathrooms or kitchens. You can even layer 2 rods for a more decorative, double curtain setup. 3. Copper or wooden pipes. Want something unique and stylish? Use copper or wooden pipes instead of standard rods. You can rest them on adhesive hooks, wall brackets, or even rope supports. They bring an industrial or rustic charm to your room, perfect for farmhouse or modern boho interiors. It's an affordable, creative alternative that looks custom designed. 4. Curtain wire system. This idea is straight from modern Scandinavian design, the curtain wire system. It's basically a thin, flexible steel wire stretched across your window, held by small brackets or hooks. You can attach your curtains using clips or rings. This setup is minimal, sleek, and great for lightweight curtains or sheer drapes. It's especially ideal for apartments or small living areas where you want a clean, airy aesthetic. 5. Rope or twine for a DIY boho look. If you love natural, artistic vibes, try rope or thick twine instead of rods. Simply knot each end of the rope on hooks or nails, then slide your curtain rings through. This style pairs beautifully with linen, cotton, or macrame curtains and instantly gives your space a relaxed, bohemian feel. It's easy, inexpensive, and adds tons of personality to any room. Bonus tip: use curtain clips or rings. No matter which hanging method you choose, curtain clips and rings can make your setup look polished and functional. They're easy to move and allow you to adjust your curtains quickly. Plus, they help distribute fabric weight evenly, keeping your curtains hanging beautifully. So, there you have it, 5 easy and creative ways to hang curtains without a rod. From simple command hooks to chic rope designs, these methods are proof that you can achieve a stylish, finished look without any drilling, hassle, or expensive hardware. Try one of these ideas today, and give your windows a fresh, designer-worthy update, the easy way.